Today we will introduce our hot-selling model 505 to you. As you can see, this machine featuring 12 stitches, 1 to 12. 1 to 4 is straight stitches. 5 to 6 is decorative stitches. 7 to 8 is for button and buttonhole. 9 to 12 is zigzag stitches. It's different stitch lengths. This machine is double stitch. Bottom 3, and here open 3, so it's lock stitch. This button is for reverse sewing, so it's perfect for finish. This button is on-off switch. This machine has 2 speeds. L means low speed, H means high speed. Here you can see it's a ruler. This machine can be operated by the DC adapter and also can be operated by battery. It's 4AA battery. Here has a drawer. You can put some accessories inside, like the bobbies and the spools. This button is for stitch selection, so you can use this button to select different stitches. This wheel is for adjusting the stitch tension. This is foot pedal jacket. This machine can be operated by foot pedal or by the on-off switch on the body. And the foot pedal is changeable. You can press this button to release. Then it's done. This wheel is for hand wheel. You can rotate it to raise the leader. This one is for bobby winder. When the bottom bobby used up, you can use this one to wind a new bobby.